How does one of the world's most innovative minds approaches financial decisions? Meet Elon Musk, the visionary behind Tesla, SpaceX, and numerous other groundbreaking ventures. His approach to decision making offers invaluable lessons for all of us navigating the complex world of finance. But before we dive into more strategies, let us understand the importance of making informed financial decisions. Financial decisions, whether big or small, can profoundly impact our lives, from budgeting and investing to saving for retirement. Each choice we make plays a crucial role in shaping our financial future. Now, let's uncover the principles that Elon Musk employs when making his financial decisions. I think it is very important to have a feedback loop where you are constantly thinking about what you've done and how you could be doing it better. Musk emphasizes the importance of continuous evaluations and improvement in finance. This means regularly reassessing your investment, readjusting your strategies, and learning from both success and failure. He also embraces calculated risk, as seen in his ventures like SpaceX. Why caution is necessary? Being too risk-averse can hinder our financial growth. Musk's willingness to take calculated risks demonstrates the potential reward of stepping out of one's comfort zone. In conclusion, Elon Musk's approach to financial decision making offers valuable insights for all of us. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and embracing calculated risk, we can navigate the complexity of finance with confidence. So remember, whether you are investing in stock or planning for retirement, channel your inner Elon Musk and make financial decisions that propel you towards financial success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more financial tips on daily finance. And until next time, stay financial savvy.